In this video, we will learn how to insert hyperlink in new Outlook. So let's start. Open your new Outlook and I open here the one email. I just open this and click on the reply all. And here I'm going to share the custom stationery kit link. So I just copy here this word custom stationery kits for design for your business. Then I open my browser and search here the custom stationery kits designs. So I just copy these links of website, just right click of the mouse and click on the copy link and go to the again the emails and select the stationery words. And when you double click on the stationery word, you can see here the insert hyperlink option showing. Just click on it and display as a stationery, the selected name display here, and paste here the URL web address. So just click on OK to insert here. So here the insert link is insert hyperlink is done. Same as second way, just select the word and here you can see the in insert group have a link option. Just click on this arrow, the first option insert hyperlink. Paste here same as the display as design word and click on OK. So here the two word with the hyperlink I'm going to share. So I just click on the send and I go to the sent email. I refresh here the email. I sync to okay. Then open here the sent email and just double click on it and you can see here the website is open. So that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.